Hey, hello guys, welcome back to Tongli Heavy Machine channel. My name is Richard. So on my back you can see these are all spare parts for rotary drum devices. So if after a equipment used for 20 years, 30 years, then some parts needs to be changed. So we also supply spare parts for rotary drum devices, and as you can see, these are all exported to Turkey. So you can see this is the transmission part of the rotary drum devices. So you can see this is the shell, and this is the paddings, and this is the riding ring. So some customers, after their plant's been running for 30 years, 40 years, and then they need to, get this part changed. And then we are supplying, you can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sets of spare parts for this project. And you can see we have made a base frame for transportation uses. And then for this part, the spare parts, we also have different spare parts. We have spare parts for the rotary drum devices. We also have spare parts for pinion devices, and also other spare parts. So yeah, now guys, I'll introduce about other part of our spare parts.